Now students, it is a peculiar question based on average profit method. This question requires us to calculate the goodwill of a firm at 2 years purchase of the average profits of last 3 years, which are given here. Now remember, there are certain abnormal items mentioned in front of certain years. Now students, make this thing very clear in your mind that goodwill is always based on normal and operating profits of a business. Any abnormal item included in profits or non-operating item included in profits should be excluded. So we will make an adjustment for converting these profits into your operating profits first, and then we'll proceed to calculate goodwill. So for year 1, the profit that is given is 70,000, but it includes an abnormal gain of 20,000. So we will deduct that abnormal gain of 20,000. That will give us operating profit. That will give us an operating profit of rupees 50,000 for first year. This is your calculation part. And this is your profit part. So for first year, had not been for a gain of 20,000, the firm would have earned just rupees 50,000 as profit. For second year, this 50,000 is a loss, so I am putting it as a negative figure, 50,000. But this loss was after deducting a loss by fire of 1,50,000. Remember, loss by fire is a non-operating expense, so it should be added back. Add this back. That means the firm would have earned a profit of 1 lakh from its operating activities, but for this fire. Then for third year, nothing is mentioned. So this 60,000 is operating profit only, or there is no adjustment to be done in this figure. So now students, the total profits comes to rupees 2,10,000. The total profits are 2,10,000 for these 3 years. Once we have total profit, then we are required to calculate average profits. The average profits would be equal to 2,10,000, that is the total profit, divided by number of years, there are 3, which will be equal to 70,000, and goodwill of the firm would now be equal to 70,000 into years of purchase 2, that will be equal to rupees 1,40,000. So now students, it is very clear that in case of average profit methods, in case any non-operating items are given to you, they have to be adjusted and operating profits are to be arrived at for the purpose of calculation of goodwill.